Hey guys, I'm Mike and today we're going to be going over how to set up your email on a Samsung Galaxy. Hey guys, I'm Mike and today we're going to be going over how to set up your email on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So we're going to get our phone unlocked and then we're going to go straight into our mail app. So it's got all the companies that you can set up your email through, and we're going to be setting up a Gmail. And it says allow email to access your contacts. You're going to say allow. And then you're going to enter your email. And you're going to hit next. Then you're going to enter your password. And on this next screen, it's going to say save the sign-in information. You're going to hit remember so you can log in easily. Then you're going to hit allow to allow permission for Samsung email to read, compose, send, and permanently delete all your emails from Gmail. And then it's going to process for a second. And just like that, your email's set up. Now to add another account, we're going to come over here to the menu and the settings icon. And then it's going to show your email that you just added, and underneath it'll show add account. And then you just run through the same setup we did for the last email account. And just like that, you've got multiple accounts in your Samsung email app. As always, I'm Mike Cambiano, and for more tips and tricks, head over to bravadowireless.com.